Hi students, welcome back. I think all of you are safe at home. Today we are going to study about our sixth chapter, Living in Harmony. In this chapter, we will mainly discuss about biotic and abiotic factors, ecosystem, habitat, food chains, food web, producers, and about consumers and about decomposers. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic and abiotic are the two essential factors responsible for shaping the ecosystem. Biotic factors are the living components present in an environment, and abiotic factors are the non-living part of an ecosystem that shape its environment. Students, look at this picture. This is the picture of pond. What are the biotic and abiotic factors present in this pond? Yes, biotic factors are aquatic plants, fishes, frogs, crab, algae, water snake, etc. And about abiotic factors? Yes, stone, water, soil, air, sunlight, etc. comes under the abiotic factors. Which were the biotic and abiotic factors present in the forest? Yes, trees, plants, tiger, leopard, lion, rabbit, reptiles, worms, etc. are the biotic factors. And about abiotic factors, yes, rocks, stone, water, etc. Students, I think now you understood about biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic and abiotic factors are the two essential factors responsible for shaping the environment. Biotic factors are the living components present in the environment. And about abiotic factors are the non-living part of an ecosystem that shapes the environment. Abiotic and biotic factors work together to create a unique ecosystem. So students, next we are going to study about habitat. Do you know what's habitat? Yes, the natural surroundings in which an organism live is called its habitat. The natural surroundings in which an organism lives is called its habitat. So what do you mean by ecosystem? Yes, the biotic and abiotic factors, their surroundings and their mutual relationship together form an ecosystem. The biotic and abiotic factors, the surroundings and their mutual relationship together form what? Yes, an ecosystem. So students, let's summarize our today's session. Today we discussed about biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors are the living components and abiotic factors are the non-living components. And next we discussed about habitat. Habitat means the natural surroundings in which an organism lives. And discuss about ecosystem. Biotic and abiotic factors together create an ecosystem. So that's all for today. Thank you.